Chapter 6, Squares and Square Roots. So square means if you multiply a number with the same number. For example, 2 multiplied with 2, you will get square of 2. So we will write it as 2 square, which is equal to 4. If you multiply any number, for example, 10. 10 into 10, you will get 10 square, which is equal to 100. So square means a number multiplied with itself. So now let us write the squares of number from 1 to 10. So 1 square is equal to 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. 2 square is 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. 3 square equal to 3 into 3, that's 9. 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 16. Now 5 square is equal to 5 into 5, 25. Next 6 square, which is 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. Now 7 square equal to 7 into 7, that is 49. 8 square equal to 8 into 8, that is 64. 9 square is 9 into 9, that is 81. 10 square equal to 10 into 10, that is 100. So the squares up to 10, not up to 10, up to 20, you have to remember. Now I wrote up to 10 square, then 11 to 20 or up to 30 squares of numbers up to 30, you have to write. Okay. Now, just observe the ones place digit of these numbers. So first 149 is one place only. Now here it is 6, here 5, here again 6, here 9, here 4, here 1, here 0, and these are one digit only. Did you observe anything special there? Or some digits are missed, is it? Which all numbers you can't find there? 1 to 9, all the numbers are there. 0 to 9, all the numbers you can find there. No, some numbers are missing. Let us find which all numbers are missing there. 0 is there. Okay. 1 is there. Where is 2? 2 is not there in one's place. So let me note down that. Now next to number 3. 3 also not there. Now 4 is there. 5 is there. 6 is there. Where is 7? No, 7 is not there. And 8 also not there. Now 9 is there, 0 is there. That means 2, 3, 7, and 8 you can't find in the ones place of these square numbers. That means no square number will end in 2, 3, 7, 8. No square number will end in 2, 3, 7, 8. The square number can end in any other digit, but it will not end in 2, 3, 7, and 8. Very, very important property. You have to remember this. Next, let us observe again. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1, I told. Any other number square is ending in 1? Any other number square ending in 1? Yes. 9 square also ending in 1. Set. So 1 square and 9 square both ending in 1. Now 4. Any other 2 square 4? Any other number ending 4? Yes, 8. That means 2 square and 8 square, they are ending in 4. Now 9. 3 is ending in 9. Any other number? 7 also. 6. So 3 square and 7 square, they ending in 9. Now 6. 4 square and 6 square. 4 square and 6 square, both ending in 6. Now 5. Other than 5 square, any other number ending in 5? No. So 5, only 5 square ending in 5. And 0, 10 square. 10 square ending in 0. So from this, what we understood is, if a number, any number, which ends in 1 or 9, then its square will end in 1. Similarly, if a number ends in 2 or 8, or the ones place digit of any number is either 2 or 8, its square will end in 4. That is, the ones place of the square will be 4. If a number ends in either 3 or 7, its square will end in 9. A number ends in 4 or 6, the square will end in 6. If a number ends in 5, its square also will end in 5. And if a number ends in 0, its square also will end in 0. So now let us write it as a table for you to understand a little more clearly. That is, so ones place of number. Here, ones place of its square. So ones place of a number is 1 or 9. Ones place of its square is 1. Ones place is either 2 or 8. Squares ones place is 4. Ones place of any number is 3 or 7. The ones place of its square is 9. Suppose it is ending in 4 or 6, its square will end in 6. If it is end in 5, ones place is 5 of a number, the square ones place also will be 5. And if a number ends in 0, its square also will end in 0. This is another important property you need to remember. So, looking into the ones place, we can say what will be the ones place of square of that number. Easily we can say what digit that square will end. That easily we can find out. For example, suppose a number, for example, 246. And what will be the ones place digit of square of this? That means 246 square that number end in which digit? We can, no need for you to find the square of this number. We want only the ones place. What will be the ones place of its square? Since it is ending in 6, what will be the ones place of its square? 6 means 6 into 6, 36. So it will end in 6, is it? So the ones place will be 6. Another number, 1058. So square of this number will end in which digit? It will end in, since it is 8 here, so its square will end in 8 into 8, 64. No, it's end in 4. Suppose a number is 511. It's 1 here, so its square will end in 1. Clear? Now, let us think about the reverse. That is, suppose we know ones place digit, one place of a square number given. And you need to guess ones place of that number. Hope you understood. This ones place of a square number. Suppose a square number ends in 4. So ones place of that number, which number square ending 4, that number's ones place. It can be either 2 or which number will come? 2 or 8. Either 2 will come or 8 will come. And if ones place of a square number is 6, then the number, the chances are, 2 possibilities are there. Either the number will end in 4 or the number will end in 6. And suppose a number ends in 0, definitely it's ones place of the number also 0. If it is 9, then either 3 or 7. Suppose a ones place of a square number is 7. Is it possible? Not possible, because no square number will end in 7. So this will not belong to this. If it is ending in 5, then it's the numbers ones place also is 5. So looking into the ones place digit of a square number, we can assume what is the ones place. The 2 possibilities are there, except 5 and 0. All others have two possibilities. So we can guess what is the ones place of that number. That is possible. Yeah. Next one is, suppose a number is ending in 0. Then I told its square will end in 0. Is it? Square will end in 0. But there is some specialties there. No square number will end in odd number of 0. That means it should have even number of 0. See, 100. 100 has even numbers. 100 is a square number. But 1000, it is ending in 3 zeros. Odd number of 0. So it is not a square number. So if a number is a square number and is ending in 0, then definitely it will end in even number of 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. Even number of zeros, it will end. For example, if 20 square, if I take, square of 2 is 4. then 0, 0. If a number has 1 0, its square will have 2 0. If a number has 2 0, its square will have here 2 0, so double of that. So it will have 4 0. If a number has 3 zeros ending, then its square will end in 6 zeros. Like that it will end. So if a number, suppose a number 500. This, see, I cannot say it is a square number or not. It is not possible to say looking into the number. But I can say it may be a square number because it is ending in 20. That doesn't mean so all the numbers ending in 20 are square number. It's not like that. But we can say, in another case, suppose a number 278. I'm asking you whether it can be a square number or not. Looking into the ones place, immediately you can say not possible because no square number in end in 2378, is it? So this cannot be a square number. But if I write a number like this, 276, so it is ending in 6. So you can say it may be or it can be a square. You cannot say it is a square number. That is not possible. We have to find. That is another method. Is that we will learn later. But we can say it can be a square number, but not sure. It can be because it is ending in 6. But if I give another number, 132, immediately you can reject because it is ending in 2. No square number will end in 2. So you can say it cannot be a square number. Now, if I give a number 1060, immediately you can say it is not a square number because it is ending in 10. That is odd number of 0 it is ending. So it cannot be a square number. This much understood? Next topic. I think we will do in the next video some properties of that. Before that, little bit exercise also we will do next video. Little we will discuss little more properties and the first exercise we will discuss. Okay.